horrifying moments on the road always surprise people. In the short moments before the collision, the truth is revealed through the lens that, if not recorded, perhaps no one will believe. This video will make your heart stop with breathtaking moments, where luck and carelessness intertwine to create unbelievable situations. William had a serious accident while driving a pickup truck in San Jose, California. He ignored the height restriction sign, which caused the truck to run into power lines and knock down several utility poles. As a result, William was held liable and paid up to $4,000 in damages. To avoid unnecessary trouble and costs, always pay attention to height restriction signs when driving. Harrison was driving a pickup truck on the freeway in Madison, Wisconsin, when the cars in front of him suddenly stopped. Because he was on his phone and not paying attention, Harrison did not notice in time and collided with a series of cars in front of him. Always focus on driving and avoid using your phone while driving. While Andrew was driving his pickup truck on the Austin-Travis freeway, a car suddenly slowed down before he could react. The result was a quick collision. To avoid similar situations, maintain a safe distance from the car in front of you and always pay attention to traffic signals. I was cutting in line on the freeway in San Francisco, California. A white car was trying to pass at high speed. Suddenly, the car hit the front of my car, causing a pretty serious accident. Luckily, everyone was okay. On the highway in Jacksonville, Florida, I was traveling at the speed limit on the highway. Suddenly, a large cargo truck slowed down, making me unable to react. There was a collision. It was a relief to see he was okay. Noah was driving his pickup truck in Tampa, Florida, and didn't notice the approaching car in front of him. He tried to swerve to avoid the accident, but it didn't work. To avoid a similar situation, always pay attention to the vehicles around you. Benjamin was driving his pickup truck on the freeway in San Antonio, Bexar, when a car lost control and crashed into his co-worker's car in front of him. Fortunately, there were no serious injuries. The accident happened on the road in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. The black car in front was going too slow. I moved into the other lane without paying attention to the car next to it, creating a pretty serious collision. Luckily, all is well. While Hayden was driving his pickup truck in Greater New York, following the speed limit, a car turned at the same time and didn't check its side mirrors, resulting in a collision. The impact threw the truck off the road, but fortunately the driver was not injured. To avoid a similar situation, always check your side mirrors before making a turn and maintain a safe distance from surrounding vehicles. Joseph was driving in Jacksonville, Florida, when a reindeer suddenly darted out in front of his car. The suddenness of the incident startled him, but fortunately no accident occurred. In such situations, maintaining a moderate speed and staying focused are extremely important to react quickly. Jason was driving his pickup truck on the freeway in Kalamazoo, Michigan, when he suddenly encountered a car turning right in front of him. He tried to swerve to avoid it, but at high speed, he could not avoid the collision. When driving on the freeway, always keep a safe distance from other vehicles and reduce speed when there is an unexpected situation to ensure safety. Gavin was driving on the San Francisco freeway at night when a car suddenly changed lanes from the other side, leaving Gavin no time to react. The impact sent the car flying off the road, but fortunately no one was injured. As Gabriel drove his pickup truck on the freeway in Kent, Michigan, a car suddenly passed him without paying attention to a construction sign. As a result, his truck hit a warning post and spun around several times. Fortunately, no one was injured. Hello everyone, thank you for watching the video until the end. If you find the video interesting and useful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the latest videos about dangerous situations on the road. Connor was driving a pickup truck at high speed on a road in Dallas, Texas. Suddenly, on a curve, the truck lost control and flipped over. Fortunately, he suffered only minor injuries. Julian was driving through the streets of San Francisco, California at high speed. While driving, a car suddenly came out from a small road. Although the distance was still far, Julian still had to react quickly to avoid a collision. Fortunately, no accident happened. Joshua was driving his pickup truck on the freeway in Miami, Florida, when a dead tree suddenly blocked the road. Although his truck did not crash into the tree, he stopped to pull the tree out of the way to prevent a traffic accident. In Ann Arbor, Michigan, a car tried to pass in front of me. She didn't look in her mirror before changing lanes in front of my car, hit her car. Luckily, she was okay. While Cameron was driving in San Antonio, Bexar, a car suddenly changed lanes without signaling, leaving him no time to react. The car was dragged for several meters, but fortunately no one was injured in the incident. Always use your signal when changing lanes and maintain a safe distance to avoid traffic accidents. I was driving on San Diego, California road. A pickup truck going the wrong way swerved into my lane and crashed into my car. He said he fell asleep before causing the accident. In Wisconsin, speeding fines are based on the severity of the violation and the zone in which you were found, and can range up to $400 depending on the severity of the violation. In addition to the fine, you may also receive points on your driving record. If the number of points exceeds a certain amount, your driver's license may be suspended or revoked. I was cutting in line on the freeway in San Francisco, California. A white car was trying to pass at high speed. Suddenly, the car hit the front of my car, causing a pretty serious accident. Luckily, everyone was okay. A collision in San Francisco, California. My pickup truck was swerving into lanes. Suddenly, another car going at high speed swerved into lane with me. He caused a collision and sped away. He said he was driving on the freeway in Francisco, California. It was still raining, but he was speeding, causing his pickup truck to lose control. Luckily, it didn't collide with other cars. Hello everyone, thank you for watching the video until the end. If you find the video interesting and useful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the latest videos about dangerous situations on the road. While Wesley was driving on a road in San Antonio, Bexar, a car from the opposite direction crossed the lane, hit the garbage truck in front of him, and then hit his car. Fortunately, the driver of the car was safe. While Andrew was driving his pickup truck in San Jose, California, an oncoming vehicle suddenly changed lanes without signaling. He was unable to react in time, and a violent collision occurred, causing severe damage to both vehicles. Jonathan was driving a delivery truck with his co-worker in San Jose, California. He didn't pay attention to his co-worker's car. He tried to pass without informing his friend while passing, so the collision happened. Luckily, the car only suffered minor scratches.